What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. Mega love shout out mga ka-Queenies. We are back for another reaction video for Divas of the Queendom. Naku, isa to sa pinaka-requested ninyo na na-miss natin sa Queendom. Ito nga ay ang anak level up version ng Divas of the Queendom. Naku, na-reactan nga natin yung kanilang rendition ng And I Am Telling You. At talaga naman ang ganda ng arrangement, ng distribution ng lines, and also showcasing the vocal prowess of Divas of the Queendom. So tingnan natin paano nila i-level up. Parang ganitong concept din ata yung version na gagawin nila. So exciting yan, and syempre tingnan natin sino ang magsha-shine for today's video bilang isang anak. Charit. Ayan. And syempre, if you like this video, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we're playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Ito na guys. Ay. Iba ang version ng anak. Parang nasa gubat. Ganda ng spotlight. Parang concert
Ay. Ganda rin ang gown.
Iba ang emotion ng Julian. Ang ganda nung arrangement. Iba. Ay. Wait lang guys, ang ganda nung low notes ni Rita, and the harmony and the way that Julie is doing the runs and the riffs. Grabe yun. Very emotional and very heartfelt itong rendition na ito. Abay, level up na. Balikan natin the Queendom way. Ba, ang ganda ng pagkakaano. Ito yung runs ni Julie. Galing. Ito yung low notes ni Rita. And the harmony counterpart. Very emotional. Grabe yung payat ni Julie. Ay, ganda! The combination of Rita and Julie is perfection. Ganda. Wait. Wait lang guys. Nagulat ako. Nag-iba ng language. Abay, multilingual pala ang anak version na ito at multilingual na ang Queendom. In fairness, is that Spanish? Balikan natin. Akala ko pure Filipino ito. Baka may ma-Japanese dito guys. Ang galing. Vocal texture. Oh my God. Ang Maring Jessica. Si Marimar dito, si ano. Oh my God. Uy, shoot. Tinaas pa. Uy, grabe. Wait lang, guys. Grabe yun. Fight, fight, fight. Oo, nagpuksaan po si Thea at si Jessica, si Marimar at si Rosalinda for today's video. Aba, in Espanyol, Birit version, Anak, Level Up. Grabe. Ipalikan natin yun. Grabe yun. Kabog. English. Marian. Ay, Marian. Hannah doing English version. Saka si Marian nga. But, eh. Child, you don't know. Uy, grabe. Galing ng runs. Alam niyo, wala akong masabi dito. Grabe. Iba-ibang version now. English version. For the Hollywood naman tong Maring Hannah at Maring Maria natin. Grabe. At ang taas in English. Parang ang hirap nun. Parang kung ikaw yung kakanta, parang nasa isip mo pa rin yung Filipino lyrics, diba? But they're nailing it. Ang galing. To see you live. Oh, ganda ng harmony. Back to Tagalog na. Huh? Combination, counterparts. Galing ng harmony. Galing. Naririnig mo talaga yung hiwa-hiwalay. Kala ko tataas nila. Tinaas nga. Kabog, level up. There you have it, guys. That is Divas of the Queendom with their rendition of Anak, multilingual level up version. Grabe naman pala multilingual ng ating Queendom. Ibang ibang presentation of Anak. Diba? So we're used to yung isang version lang siya. Pero ito pinagsama-sama nila yung versions in different language. Tapos yung arrangement of the band, yung background music, the way they execute it. Alam mo yung very heartfelt, and the way that the Queendom sings it, they nailed it so much. Grabe yung pairing of based on the language. Yung puksaan ng nota ni Thea at saka ni Jessica. At syempre yung English version, Hollywood vibes version, high notes ni Hannah at saka ni Marian, and of course Mami Rita at saka si Judy with the Filipino version. So heartfelt. Ang ganda ng low notes ni Mami Rita plus yung harmony nila ni Judy, and yung nila, yung kanilang harmony all together, grabe. Iba talaga. The Quendam way, the Quendam version. Nakabuti lang na-reactan ko to. Hindi na naman nakita ni Brel. Sayang. Charit. Siyempre, mapapanood din to ni Brel, pero hindi nyo lang mapapanood ko anong reaction niya. Magkakasabunutan. Charit. Pero grabe, puksaan to ng vocal cords. The Quendam way. Grabe, nakaka-excite na. Ano pa ba yung ibang ganitong ano? I-comment nyo na para naman masunod-sunod natin yan dahil babawi tayo sa ating Divas of the Quendam. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.